Today we are going to learn about Python variables. So by the end of this video, you will learn what are variables, how to create them, and the rules for naming the variables. Okay. So first of all, we'll learn what is variable. So variable is a name. It is used to store the data in a program. So think it like a labeled box. So we can put a value inside a box and we can use whenever we need it. Okay. For example, you can see here I am taking a name as variable. Needs one more variable. Okay. Now I'll write print function for an output. Okay. And I'll print age also. So you can see we got both outputs, name and also age. So here name will store the Shivam, this value, and print the age. Sorry, age will save the 20, this value. Okay.